Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best felting needle kit wooden handle available on the market. The 10 PC's wooden felting needle handles from ARTIBETTER. Whether you're just starting out in wool felting or you're a seasoned crafter, this kit might just be the missing piece in your toolkit. Right out of the box, you get 10 high-quality wooden handles, designed to comfortably fit standard felting needles. Each handle is crafted from smooth, durable wood and measures approximately 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches in length. That compact size makes them ideal for both detailed precision work and longer crafting sessions. The natural wood finish gives off a rustic aesthetic, and more importantly, it feels great in the hand. When working on felting projects, comfort is everything. These ARTIBETTER handles are thoughtfully shaped to provide a secure, ergonomic grip. That means less fatigue and more control as you work through long sessions. The grip is solid but gentle, allowing you to stay focused on shaping, layering, and detailing your wool creations instead of worrying about hand cramps or tool slippage. Another great feature is their versatility. These handles can be used directly as your main tool or serve as a convenient replacement for any worn-out or broken felting tool in your collection. They're compatible with standard felting needles, although it's important to note that the needles themselves are not included with this set. Still, installation is a breeze thanks to their removable design. You simply insert the needle, and you're good to go. And when you're done crafting for the day, these handles are super easy to store. They're compact and lightweight, which makes them easy to pack up for travel or tuck into your craft box without taking up too much space. Whether you're working at home or on the move, these handles make felting more accessible and organized. If you're looking to surprise someone who loves fiber arts, this set makes a thoughtful and practical gift. Crafters of all skill levels will appreciate the attention to detail and usability these wooden handles offer. From sculpting adorable felted animals to adding texture to textile art, the applications are broad and rewarding. If comfort, reliability, and easy replacement are high on your list, then yes, this kit is a fantastic addition to any felting setup. For under 10 handles, you get consistency in design, ease of use, and a product that supports your creativity rather than holding it back. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on must-have crafting tools and kits. See you next time.